Hello everybody. Oh, better turn this down before I get copyrighted. Oh, hi guys. A little bit of an update and baling video, I guess. This is our second to last hay field we got to do. It is June 1st, and that's pretty good for us. I would love to mow all our fields at once because we had the weather for it, but we don't got big enough equipment for that. Trust me, I would love to. Maybe in our life we'll be able to do it. But anyways, I'm down here. This is one of the fields we rent. And I'm just here in the truck. It's so hot. It's close to probably 90 degrees. So I'm here. Here just to make sure Dad's alright. I know I'm pretty good by. Well then, we haven't really well, you guys probably have noticed I haven't really uploaded that many videos. It's been like 3 weeks since my last video. Just been busy. I do got some first of mowing this year when we first started first cut and tedding and raking and stuff like that. Since it's hot right now, we're not working through the day, so I might upload another video today in this one. This video is just an update and while watching him bale. I'm not filming too much to the left because that's where their house is, and I'm not going to show you their house. So, but this field is a lot bigger than what I'm showing you. Hay crop in this field is kind of low. We need to put more manure on it. This is where most of our manure this spring went. And it might need another dose. What we really should do is plow it up. But I don't know. Gotta talk to the landowner, see if they want us to plow it up, if we could plow it up. Or we need to find a way to get some fertilizer. Oh, another bale. So far, 3 bales. A little bit better than I thought, because I put 5 windrows into one. Yeah, I didn't ted this field. It was too thin to ted. It'll just go right through the tedder. He gets a little bit more over there. That's their greenhouse, and that's all you guys are going to see from their property. There's some up that way. It's actually worse in there. It was thinner over there. These are the days I wish we had a cab tractor with AC, but we don't. We only got that. Me and Dad were saying that on our bucket tractor, we put the ROPS thing back up. We get some new bolts and some plywood and make a homemade canopy. Because that tractor would be fine to mow hay on all day. Just wish we had a bigger disc mower. Good. That's it. And water doesn't get too long. Mine did yesterday. We really need to bring out our old water canteens. Or buy some new ones. We lost all ours. So we've made 3 bales so far. Not too bad. Not too great either. I think this field this size, this chunk right here, should at least make 12 round bales. 12 to 14 round bales, that's what I think. You know, up there should make at least 10. That's my feelings. We should get at least 20 round bales off this field, because this is big enough. We just need to put more fertilizer to her, I guess. Maybe plow her over and start over. But I'm planning to upload this video. I need my doggy, or our dog, Lady. I'm not sure I'm not zoomed in. I'm not zoomed in. There's Lady for you. I got the AC going. We're in the shade, so I wasn't going to sit in the sun with a truck with the dog with me. I don't want to be mean about our bug, Ladybug. Her real name's Lady, but we call her Ladybug. Really? Oh, 4 bales. Huh. That's kind of a surprise. Well, anyways, this video is 6 minutes long. Baling and update video. This is what this is. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please comment, rate, and subscribe. If you want for more, and if you want to check me out on Instagram, go right ahead. Farming Vermont, just like the YouTube channel. I'll just have to. If you want to follow me, leave me a comment on the YouTube saying that you are following me on Instagram and you want me to accept you, because that's how I roll. I just don't let anybody follow me, because there's some weird people out there. So thanks for watching.